Hello. Now, how to make a flashcard using PowerPoint. Now let's go. Now when you open the PowerPoint, you get this one, this slide. Now first step, we have to convert this page into the our required flashcard page. So first I go into the toolbar here, home, insert, design. These are the toolbar. So first I go into the design option, and in there are two things are there: page setup and slide orientation. So in design option I go and I select the slide orientation, and there are two more options are there: portrait and landscape. Now this one is a landscape, so I can select the portrait. Now my page is actual size of a flash cut. Now next step, I have removed these boxes by clicking on that box. So if I click on that box, and I can delete it. Similarly, I click when these arrows are there, so you can click and delete. Now this one is my actual page of the flashcard. Now we can write, draw, and insert any image of from our computer and from internet, and we can make a flashcard. Now how can I write this page? So second one, I go to insert option, that is my second option, and there is a text box out there. So I can select the text box, and I can select here also, or otherwise I can select here also, and I write. Now suppose I write here one example: concept of fraction. Here I have to show how to make a flashcard or concept of fraction. Now I take it here by selecting them. We can also change the font size and color and etc. Now I click select them and I change the font. Also by clicking this one, we can change the font size. Also I can change the color of the font, and also if I clicking this to the end of this card, I can write this, and we can also put them with any of this page. Suppose I put there here, and also I select, and using this 4 I select this one center. That is a shortcut is control plus E. If I select them, then it is at the center. Now again, if we have to change the background of this one, so I can click on that. Here there is a shape field option are there, shape outlines are there. Now suppose I take a outline, so I can select any color also. For example, here I write a weight are there, means we can use the thickness of any outline. Suppose I take a 3 pt, so my outline we can get using this size. We can also background color if I change, so I click on that. So again we get a field, shape outline, shape effect are there. Now if I click in a shape field, so my background as per my choice of color, we can select any choice of color. Suppose I take a yellow color, or whatever, a green color or blue color, whatever. Suppose I take here yellow color. So my this part is a concept of fraction, and background color is also changed. Now suppose I have to draw any shape, and suppose I have to write any another one. Now if I write the definition or anything, so again I go to the insert, and text box I select and I put there, and now I write fraction, and fraction is a part of whole. Part of whole is known as a fraction. Now also I can change the font and font size, whatever. and you can also put anywhere of this page. Now suppose I have to draw the any shape. So here there are some shapes are already filled in. So if I draw, select from this one, I click on that, and recently used shape and some lines, rectangle, basic shapes are given. For example, I have to draw the circle. So I can select either this one or this one. These are also same. Suppose I can take, and now I use a shift button to draw the circle because we need a perfect circle. So I can draw this, and we can also put any part of this page. Now if I change the background color of this circle or outline of the circle, so we can also take this one and also change the color of this circle, outline of the circle. Suppose I this one I red, so outline of the circle is red color. Now if I fill inside of circle, if I plate no color, so I select here no field. Suppose I put yellow or green, whatever. Suppose I here select a green color, so my circle is a green color. Suppose now here I represent a fraction, so I can divide the circle, draw in a one line. Here I draw the one line on that circle, so I can select them, and here I draw the one line. Now if I change the line darkness, so I also select it's this one outline, and also in a different color. Okay. Now my circle is divided into two parts. So if I select any one, for example, I can fill this one. Okay, my whole circle color is change, and if I take only single part, so my one part now here my circle is divided into two equal parts, and if I consider any one part, so we can say it is a fraction is 1 by 2. Also I can change a different shape, so I can select here for example rectangle, so I can draw square or rectangle, whatever you have to want. So here, and also if I take a no color, so I can select a plain circle, plain rectangle, and if one again once I click on that, also outlines I can give, and also change the thickness of outline, or we can also dotted line also we can use. So it select from dashes, and also change the thickness of these lines also. Suppose I have to label this number, which flashcard number, so that there are also one options are there. Otherwise you can go into the insert, header footer is there. So if you take this one and apply to all, you get also the label of the flashcard also, header and footer, and notes that date and time you have to select here and apply to all. Then after you can get, otherwise simply you can go into the text box. Here I put a 1, and also I increase the font size and number, and also change the color, select them and change the color you get, and also I stretch them to end of this card, and I put one at a center, so I select them, and so I get at the center. I also change the background also. For example, here I select, so you can easily make a this one is a only a sample of a flashcard how to make. Suppose I take a next another flashcard, so I can right click on that and select a new slide. So again you can get our flashcard page, and if you directly write here, suppose I write a concept of counting, directly you can write also, and if I remove this one, so I click and delete, so I can remove. And here I can also outline if you want to give outline, or if you change the shape also. Here you can, lots of shadows, reflection, glows are there. And also you can select a different color and outline color, select the outline of a different color. Suppose I give it in red, and also give a background color also. For example, I take a green color, and I also stretch them, and also put in a anywhere of this page. Suppose I have to insert an image from my computer or any other, so, or internet. So okay, now how can you insert any image? Now you go into the insert and picture. You can select the picture, and then your computer folder is open. Suppose from my desktop there are lots of images are there, so I can select from them. For example, okay, for your example, I can select this clock. So I can select and insert. So I get here a image of clock. And you can also increase and decrease the size of this image easily. Or you can put here and there. So here I also change concept of clock because I select the clock. So you can easily, and also you can here also change the background, so you can fill by any color. Here if we change its background, so this image is as it is, but this background is changed by using the different types of color also. We can also increase and decrease the size of this image here. Suppose I can extend both the side and top also. So if I write any more thing in that part, white part, so again I can select insert text box, and I can here put concept of clock, and here I represent hydrogen is a number 1, helium is my number 2, lithium is a number 3, and so on. So suppose this one is my second page, so I can select here 2, and I can increase the font as per your choice, and color also you can select color and center, and also you can put them any place of the part. Now suppose in next slide I have to insert image from the internet, for example. So, or I can add another picture. So if I open the internet, and I take any image from that, and I also copy and paste in that presentation also. You can also draw in paint, and also copy and paste here. Now here I can open my browser, and here I can image of Apple, and I can select images. So I get a different image of Apple, and suppose I take this one, so I can control C, I can copy that, and here I can take control. Okay, here I can take a different one. uh, Suppose I can this image. Okay, and this image I copy and paste here. Control C, and here Control V. Suppose I have to this one. I saved on my PC image. I save that image, and then after I can also go into the insert picture, and I can select them from my desktop. Now yes, so we get this image. So you can easily add any image from the internet also, and you can draw also in a paint, for example. And also here I add a title, Apple. So we can, when we explain any topic, for example, if you explain counting and here one apple is there, so you can take draw the one apple or you can put this image and explain the student this one is a one apple. You can then also take two apple or two chocolates, whatever you want, you get from internet, and you can easily explain them. uh, I also change the background of this one, so I can select yellow color, and if I write any color you can select. There are more options are there. If you select this one, for example, here I select, and also more formats are there. Here some writing formats are there. You can select lots of format you can select. Suppose I take select this one, so I writing portion is in different. Suppose I select change this one, for example I write in this part. So if you select, lots of things are there. You can also change its style also. Here there are lots of things already filled, so you can select them. Otherwise you can by default you can select by this shape also. Shape fill you can take your choice color, and also more fill color. So this option you can make your color also, light, dark, whatever you want. For example, I convert in a pink color, so I can select them. So there are lots of options are there. Now another option is there is a here clipboard is there. When you go on the clipboard, suppose I go for a next slide and I select this clipboard part, and I get some more things like outline, slide, etc. Here I can see our how many slide we can make, and here some more option you can get. For example, I select this one, and also okay. Now if I select any design from this one, clip arts are there. So if I click clip art, and here there is a some search items are there. Suppose I write here science or maths, whatever, and I click on that. So I get some image regarding science. You can select also from that. Suppose I take this rocket image. So easily by you have to select this image. You can also change the size of this image. You cannot change the background of image, but you can select the size as your wish. If I select another one, so you can easily, suppose I remove this one, so I clicking on that and delete button. Suppose I take a different one, image of an, suppose I take maths here. So some mathematical image are there. This one is already filled, but this work on when you use internet, this clip art is working. Without internet is working, but some uh, not lots of image. If you use an internet, then you get a more image. Suppose I like this, select this image. So there are lots of things already given in PowerPoint presentation. You can also design another animation you can add from if you select the animation, or if you select some design are already given, so you can select from there. For example, I take go into the design option and I take this one. So my flashcard is the show according to this design. You can also change the background also. Whatever you change, you can select from all these options are given. Also I change this pink one is there, so I can change, for example, this one. Okay, for example, I select any other one. For example, I can change, so I can change pink one from this dark blue or navy blue color. So that is a very simplest way. You have to make a flashcard of either any topic. For example, I have already making some flashcard. I can give you the sample from my PC, so I can insert. You can also some charts also there, uh, shapes are there, photo albums are there. Now suppose I take photo album from my PC. Right now I don't have any photo album from my PC, but if you have any file, so you can select. Okay, I take my PowerPoint presentation. Okay, here I take this one, any photo. Yes, so this one I get a photo from my PC also, and here I take this slide is not okay. So this one is another, we get another PowerPoint presentation. So we can add and we can change the font also. We can different lots of things we have to take here, make also. How to, when I change the my orientation of slide, or here I can select a different one, so we can easily change. Here I change this background also by clicking a design logo. For example, I can change this one, my original. So you can, here you can see, if I select a different one, background is changed according to the design. So you can also, these all are already given. Otherwise you can make yourself also. This one is I already making. Now here I put some also my sample of the my original flashcard I have to show you. Okay, okay, now here I have to show another my uh, concept of fraction. I have to show this one I already making concept of flashcard. Same way I can write this word and select the color. This image I draw in a paint, and I can here copy and paste. So you can easily, so it is very easy. Now in second one, same, I can take a title, proper fraction. I gave the definition, write the definition using a text box, which are already in insert option, and go to the text box and you can write. And you can also increase and decrease the font size, color, whatever you want. And this one I draw in a paint, and here I can paste it. So you can easily make a flashcard according to your choice. Here you have to see all these shapes or figures. All I can make in a paint, and I can here also paste. Otherwise, you can select from PowerPoint presentation. But these figures are not given in PowerPoint presentation. So I have to draw in a paint, and then I can here paste also. Uh, I can also put other one, counting or tracing the number. For example, okay, counting of a number. I have to share this one also. So okay, now I can another flashcard making concept of counting here, count your figure. And this image I already get from the internet. Then I also select image of people from internet and I here some edit in paint and then I put here. So let's count apple. This one I select color, background color I select from blue. This one I also yellow color. I can also select from this design. If I select here and then you get any lots of choice of colors are there, so you can select image I get from internet and I can some changes and in paint and I put here. Here I can put a count of Mickey Mouse. How many Mickey Mouse are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write here 5 Mickey Mouse. Here I put 6 Mickey Mouse. So you can make a flashcard according to your choice also. If you have any confusion, I send also one PowerPoint presentation. When there are in my other presentation, I show you the options. First, you go in a which option, and then second, step by step. Okay. So thank you